So hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video short and I will teach you how to make a React.js app just by few clicks. So this is a very basic video about React. What you will do, simply create a folder. You can name it as React first. Do one thing, click right, do right click, then show more options and open with VS Code. Okay. This will going to be very basic video. We are not using any Tailwind CSS here or any white project. Okay. Now open the terminal and here write one command, that is npx create react app @latest to basically install the latest version of React, and then you can name your project. That my project will be first project. Click Y and it will start downloading all the packages, all the files, node module, package.json, everything. So I'm pausing the video. I will resume after the download is completed. You can see finally it's downloaded, and now you can close the terminal. So this is our React project which we will be going to work on. Do one thing, on the React project, on the name of the project, uh, click on the right button, right click, then open an integrated terminal. After this we have to basically start it in the live server. So we will type npm start. So it will get directed automatically to the website, to the browser. Here it will take some time to load. Now you can see this is the React template which is currently working, or yeah, working on 3000 port, which is our localhost port on your computer. Now close the terminal. Now there are different files which are basically not so important. You will be not using these files in future. The first one is report web vital, delete it. Step up test, delete it. Okay, and logo svg, you can also delete this. And they are basically index.css and app.css. You can use index.css and you can delete app.css. And the app.test will, we will also delete this. And finally we are having this one. So in the index.js we have to remove the report web vitals because we have deleted it earlier, and the logo.svg. So what we have to do, yeah, we have to basically to get the basic template, and we have deleted it earlier. Why it's showing again? Okay, yeah, now you can see this app is loaded. So we have to do our work. Inside app.js always 1 2 3 go. So we have to do our work inside app.js always. So that's all from my end. This is the very basic tutorial that how you can install React.js in your computer uh, as a file, and you can work on it. So that's all from my end. If you like this video, if it was helpful, please give a like, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much.